So welcome back to another video, guys. Today we are going to do something really crazy. So as I hope you guys, most of you have seen my previous videos, I have covered drone views of that mountain that is around 2 kilometers from my place. It is a driving distance, I'm telling you. And there's a city behind that mountain. So I have never been there, and I really want to see if my drone can make it to that city or there will be restrictions, because that is on a reach, and due to the mountains there will be a lot of interference. So this is going to be crazy, and I'm going to push the drone to its limits as always I do, and rest I'll share you in the evening. So stay tuned for the video. Okay, bye, peace out.
Return to home. Landing.